On the remote shores of Easter Island, the mystery of the Moai, those solemn stone giants, has captivated imaginations for centuries. How were these towering figures, some weighing over 80 tons, transported across rugged terrain without wheels or beasts of burden? Now, researchers have breathed life into ancient legend. Using a replica Moai, they've shown how teams could have walked the statues upright with ropes, rocking them side to side in a slow, elegant dance. It's a stunning revelation that echoes local oral histories, where the Moai were said to have moved themselves. More than just an engineering feat, it's a story of human ingenuity, cultural pride, and ancestral connection, a sacred rhythm between stone and spirit, reborn through science. Following the snow blizzard, a school bus slid off the road into a ditch after its rear tires lost grip on the icy edge. Tow trucks struggled to reach the scene, getting stuck in the deep snow. A Ford F-250 was brought in and managed to pull the bus out efficiently, showcasing the truck's strength in extreme winter conditions. A fuel tanker truck had overturned on a thick, snow-covered road, most likely due to slipping on ice or sudden loss of steering control. The surrounding area was blanketed in heavy snow, creating hazardous driving conditions and making the recovery especially challenging. To handle the situation, a GT SHD 30RB heavy-duty recovery vehicle was called in. The operation began early in the day as the recovery team assessed the tanker's position and potential fuel hazards. Using reinforced tow straps and hydraulic winches, the GT SHD 30RB was carefully positioned to start the lift. With precision and controlled force, the tanker was slowly righted onto its wheels. However, the truck was still stuck in a deep snowbank. The HD 30RB was rehooked, and with powerful traction and low gear torque, it began the next phase, towing the tanker out of the snow. The task required precise coordination to prevent skidding or additional strain on the damaged vehicle. The process extended throughout the day, continuing even after sunset. Work lights and headlights lit up the scene as snow continued to fall lightly. Despite freezing temperatures and fading daylight, the recovery team pressed on. By nightfall, the tanker was safely pulled back to the main road. The operation showcased the brute strength and reliability of the GTSHD 30RB, as well as the professionalism and determination of the recovery crew, turning a risky winter scenario into a successful mission. A dramatic scene unfolded near Tambov as a fully loaded semi-truck, carrying 21 tons of cargo, slid off the icy road and into a deep roadside ditch. The massive vehicle lay tilted and helpless, its trailer sunken into the snow-covered ground. Responding swiftly, the heavy recovery team from Avtopomość in Tambov arrived on site, joined by a powerful wrecker crew from Lipetsk. Working in harsh winter conditions, the teams coordinated every move with precision. Thick recovery chains were attached, hydraulic winches engaged, and engines roared to life. The 21-ton rig began to rise from the ditch, the steel strained, Tires spun, but the teamwork held strong. After hours of careful maneuvering, the truck was safely brought back onto the road, cargo unharmed, mission complete. It was a powerful display of expertise, determination, and true rescue under pressure. A livestock truck had veered off the road and landed in a deep ditch, requiring a complex and delicate recovery. A heavy-duty wrecker was dispatched to the scene, equipped to handle both the weight and sensitivity of the situation. Using reinforced straps and hydraulic lifting gear, the team began the slow, careful process of raising the truck without endangering the animals inside. Specialized wreckers of all types were available, ensuring the right equipment was used for this non-standard task. Despite the challenging terrain and high risk, the recovery was completed successfully, proving once again that with the right tools and expertise, even the most difficult jobs can be handled safely and efficiently. In the frozen stillness, the Duramax roared to life, turbo spooling, tires gripping the icy ground. As the driver eased into the throttle, thick black smoke poured from the exhaust, curling into the cold air like a battle cry. The semi-truck ahead was buried deep in snow, wheels locked and lifeless. But the Duramax didn't hesitate. With each surge of torque, smoke belched harder, clouding the scene in diesel fury. The chains strained, tires spun, and slowly, the massive rig began to move. Inch by inch, the truck clawed its way free. No audience, no spotlight, just one machine pulling another from winter's grip. In that lonely, snowbound silence, the black smoke wasn't pollution. It was proof of power, persistence, and the unyielding will to keep moving forward. Cargo recovery under extreme conditions. A semi-trailer loaded with goods had to be pulled out from beneath a high-voltage 500 kilowatts power line. The operation required precision and caution to avoid electrical hazards. Using an insulated winch system and careful coordination, the recovery team successfully towed the trailer to safety. High stakes, high voltage, mission accomplished. A Cat 637E scraper slipped off the edge of a fill pile during earth-moving operations, teetering at a dangerous angle. Thanks to the quick thinking and precise control of an experienced operator, a potential disaster was averted. Using steady throttle and careful articulation of the bowl and apron, the operator slowly regained traction and stabilized the machine. With skill and patience, the scraper was brought back onto level ground safely, an impressive save under high-pressure conditions. During routine operations in a remote grassy field, a mobile crane lost stability and tipped over onto its side. The soft, uneven ground beneath the machine couldn't support its weight, especially after light rainfall, which made the soil even more unstable. The crane sank slightly and then rolled, coming to rest in a tilted position. To recover the crane, the crew used two machines, a 25-ton mobile crane and a K700 tractor. The K700, with its powerful pulling force and off-road capability, was essential for working in the soft terrain. Chains and lifting slings were secured to the crane's structural points. The 25-ton crane carefully provided vertical lifting, while the K700 delivered horizontal traction to rotate and stabilize the load. Constant communication between operators ensured precise, synchronized movement throughout the lift. Despite the soft ground and risk of further sinking, the operation was completed safely and efficiently. The crane was uprighted without further damage. This successful recovery in open field conditions showed the crew's skill, the reliability of classic machinery like the K700, and the importance of teamwork in off-road recovery situations. A tractor transporting a combine harvester overturned while navigating a curve on a slight slope. The heavy load behind it shifted forward, putting excessive pressure on the front. As a result, the trailer's drawbar jammed the axle, locking the wheels and causing the tractor to tip over. To recover it, lifting straps are attached to secure frame points. A crane provides vertical lift, while stabilizing from the opposite side. The process requires precise coordination to prevent further damage. Once upright, the tractor is inspected for structural issues before being moved. The steering rod came loose, causing the driver to lose control and fall from the overturned dump truck. Luckily, he avoided serious injury. Later, another dump truck arrived, attached a tow strap, and slowly pulled the overturned vehicle back onto its wheels. A risky moment, but quick action and solid machinery brought the situation under control. A mobile crane became stuck after sinking into soft, muddy ground at a construction site. The soil beneath the heavy vehicle gave way, causing one side of the crane to tilt and its wheels to become deeply embedded in the mud. To ensure safety and prevent further complications. Near the village of Livestock, an MTLB, multi-purpose tracked vehicle, became deeply stuck in marshy terrain during a routine off-road operation. The soft ground quickly swallowed the tracks, grounding the hull and making any attempt at movement impossible. Initial recovery efforts using a standard tractor proved ineffective, as the soil provided no traction and the vehicle continued to sink deeper. Manual attempts followed, digging around the tracks, placing logs and planks under the vehicle, but the saturated ground offered no support. The situation called for a more robust recovery plan. A second MTLB and a heavy-duty 6x6 recovery truck were brought in. Crews set up a dual-pull system using reinforced tow straps and chains. One vehicle served as an anchor, while the other applied pulling force. The operation required synchronized coordination to avoid damaging the stuck MTLB or causing equipment failure. With gradual, controlled pulling and constant tension, the grounded MTLB finally broke free with a loud snap and a splash of mud. The vehicle surged out of the bog, tracks spinning as it regained solid footing. The recovery was a success thanks to careful planning, proper equipment, and experienced operators. It demonstrated the challenges of working in unstable terrain and the importance of teamwork and technique over brute force in heavy vehicle recovery. A heavy-duty truck performs a challenging turnaround maneuver on a narrow road. The driver carefully steers while using the full turning radius, making precise adjustments to avoid obstacles. With limited space and a long trailer, the maneuver requires patience, skill, and exact control. In tight conditions like this, even a small miscalculation can lead to delays or damage. This moment showcases the expertise of professional drivers handling oversized vehicles in demanding environments. An all-terrain vehicle in action in Samara at the Koshalev project site. Designed to handle extreme off-road conditions, this machine easily crosses mud, snow, and uneven ground. Its wide tires and high ground clearance make it ideal for remote construction zones and rugged landscapes. Built for reliability, the all-terrain vehicle is essential for accessing hard-to-reach areas where standard trucks can't operate. Recovering a stuck Cat 349 excavator requires careful planning, the right equipment, and a coordinated team effort. Due to its massive weight, over 49 tons, improper techniques can lead to damage or even injury. Here's a typical recovery approach used in the field. First, assess the situation. Identify how deep the excavator is stuck, the condition of the surrounding ground, and whether the machine is resting on its undercarriage or has sunk further. If the bucket and boom are accessible, they can be used as support points. Innova. Next, clear excess mud or debris from around the tracks to reduce resistance. Then, use the boom arm and bucket to carefully push or lift the front of the machine. The operator can alternate between curling the bucket and extending the boom to gain leverage and traction. If the excavator cannot free itself, recovery equipment is brought in. A heavy-duty dozer or another excavator may be used to assist. Strong recovery straps or chains are attached to solid frame points, not the boom or undercarriage. Communication is key. The pulling force must be applied gradually to avoid sudden jerks. Often, a winch truck or tracked recovery rig helps maintain control during extraction. Always prioritize safety. Recoveries can be unpredictable in soft terrain,